Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to set reminders in Monday.com, ensuring that your workflow remains seamless and that you never miss an important task. This is especially useful if you're managing product launches, order fulfillment, marketing campaigns, or daily store operations where timing is everything. First, let's head over to Monday.com. Simply open your preferred web browser and log into your account. You'll then find yourself on the main dashboard, which is the central hub for all your boards and projects, making it easy to access everything you're working on in one place. Next, let's navigate to the specific board where you want to set your reminders. So go ahead and click on Board. This will direct you to the Board Overview screen, which displays all your current projects and task lists. This could be a board for managing Shopify orders, content creation, or upcoming promotions. Now, on this screen, you will notice a small plus sign at the top. Click on this plus sign. This function allows you to add new columns, and here we'll be adding a date column, which is essential for setting reminders. It might seem like a small step, but it lays the foundation for the automation we'll set up later and ensures Monday.com knows exactly when to trigger your notifications. Once you've clicked the plus sign, select Date from the drop-down menu. This step will add a new column to your board, dedicated solely to tracking dates, such as deadlines, launch days, or follow-up reminders. With the date column in place, it's time to enter the relevant dates for your tasks. Click on the plus sign again to add dates to the individual tasks. You will want to ensure that these dates align with your deadlines or any specific milestones you need to remember, like restocking inventory or sending out promotional emails. Now that you've assigned dates to your tasks, we can proceed to the automation settings of Monday.com. Click on Automate at the top of the screen. This will redirect you to the Automation Center, where you can create triggers for various automations that help reduce manual follow-ups. What we are specifically looking for here are the options related to dates, so click on Dates in the Automation Center. This selection will bring up multiple templates focused on date notifications, giving you ready-made options to work from. After exploring the templates, choose the one most suitable for your needs. Once you've identified the right template, click on Use Template. This step is crucial as it provides the framework for your reminder system and saves you time by eliminating the need to build automations from scratch. You now have the opportunity to customize your automation settings. This customization allows you to specify when you want to be reminded, be it on the day of the deadline or days ahead, depending on your preference. For example, you might want a reminder a few days before a product launch so you can prepare in advance. Next, further refine your preferences within this template so that the reminders are truly tailored to your workflow. You can adjust who gets notified and how the reminder is delivered. Once you're satisfied with your customization, hit Done to save your settings. Finally, to activate your automation, click on Create Automation. This final click ensures that your reminders are now live and that you will receive timely notifications as per your customized settings, helping you stay proactive instead of reactive. By following these steps, you've successfully set up a system in Monday.com to notify you of important tasks, keeping your projects on track and ensuring you stay organized as your business grows. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial, and I hope you found it helpful.